Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raiken Profit, RaikenProfit.com, coming to you with another video from a beautiful night in Connecticut. It's probably 67, 68 degrees. It's a little chilly. Got to have the sweatshirt on, but a great night to reflect and take a walk and make a video for you guys. And I want to make this video from the bottom of my heart, talking about why I continue making videos for this YouTube channel. I've been making videos for you guys for probably over 5 years now. I think I have 1,800 videos, and I wanted to share with you guys like the real reason why I do it. The reason why I continue to make videos is because it really hurts me when I see people who they're working dead-end jobs, or they're broke, or they don't have enough money. They can't afford, money to go out to eat. They can't pay for their children's education. Maybe they live in a part of town, they're just disappointed. They never get to go have fun. They want to buy a new house. They want to enjoy their life. And it really hurts me because most of society, they don't realize that you can make so much money on your own as an entrepreneur. And you don't have to go into like thousands and thousands of dollars of debt. Literally, the internet has opened up so many opportunities. Like, let me just start shouting out some of the things that people could get started doing with very little money that could change their life and start to build an income stream of a couple $100 a month to a couple thousand plus. Going on Craigslist, free section, right? Going on Craigslist and buying and selling bicycles. That's how I started. My first year, I did like over $10,000 or $20,000 worth of bikes, just flipping bikes, for very little money. Sometimes I'll go to garage sales and pick up items for $5 a bike and flip it for $150, right? Like, you can go on Amazon and you can design t-shirts for free, merch by Amazon. You can start drop shipping on eBay for very little money. You can start going to thrift stores and picking up clothing items and electronics and flipping books on Amazon. The list really goes on and on. It's absolutely crazy. And I make this video and I continue to create videos on my channel because the average person just doesn't think it's possible. The average person is working a job and they're so miserable. And I just want to get the message out that you want to know what? If money is one of those things that's negatively impacting your life and you're not able to do what you want to do, if you're not able to take your lover or, whoever, a friend out to eat, or you can't travel, or you can't experience this life because of money, it's a shame. And I've got to get this message out. I truly believe. And I was able to change my mother's life. I'm sure you guys already know, right? My mom, she's crushing it flipping books. And if it wasn't for books and Amazon right now, she like literally just retired and Social Security would not give her enough to live at all. She would not be able to live. It's like $900 or $800 a month. It's like stupid. There's so many people out there, not just people who are young or mid-aged, but even people who are retired. They're living on like $800, $900, $1,000 a month, and they could easily make an extra $200 a month flipping stuff on Craigslist, going to thrift stores, garage sales, even making a YouTube channel like this. This YouTube channel generates thousands of dollars every single month, and it's not even work. I just get to inspire people and educate people and have fun. And I honestly do believe that each person out there, you have a special gift, a special talent, something that you're really knowledgeable about that you can help people with on YouTube and get paid. So I continue making these videos because I really want to change the world with this message. I truly believe that when people get their finances in line, it improves their relationships, right? Because they're able to do all the amazing things that they wanted to do. They're able to improve their lifestyle, travel, their happiness levels increase because they're able to see different things, do different things. They're not stressed out. They're not worried about it. It brings their relationships together. There was a study done that I was reading an article about, and one of the #1 reasons why people get divorced is because of money. And I think that, I'm 100% certain that the way society teaches us to just go to school and raise your hand and get a job and, follow the rules, that's wrong. That is 100% wrong. In 2018 and beyond, there has never been a better opportunity to create your own destiny, right? To add value, to make a difference in this world. The distribution, the challenge of being able to distribute your message or your product or whatever it is, your service, it's gone. That bridge is gone with the internet. The average person could compete with big businesses now. So I make videos because I want to see you change your life the way I've been able to change my life. And it's been amazing, not only helping my mother right, who's one of my best friends, and it's just great to see her retired and just enjoying herself and having fun and having a purpose. But all the messages that I get from people who I've been able to help with their eBay business, their Amazon business, so on and so forth, and with their health and fitness. So, you know, I think that money's a pain point for most Americans and even most people internationally. I think lack of money really destroys people's happiness levels, and I want people to be able to enjoy their lives and not have money be something that holds them back from their relationships and from travel and lifestyle and connecting and love and their health and fitness. You know, when I was able to get my money in line and get my finances in line, it gave me options, it gave me freedom, it gave me time, and that helped me to be able to transform my health and my energy. And I believe that by, you know, getting healthy, I'm going to live so much longer of a life. I'm going to live a life with passion. I'm going to inspire more people. I'm going to change more lives. And it's just, I'm so freaking grateful. So I just want to kind of like shoot a video just right off the top, sharing with you guys why I do this. Now, obviously I make money from these videos, and I deserve to, because I'm helping thousands of people. You know, I've made this YouTube channel part of my business. Of course, I'm compensated for it. But I use this as a tool to help people and make a difference, and I'm just so freaking grateful. And you guys could do the same. So if you're in a position where, you know, you're just not where you want to be with your money and your finances, I want to tell you right now that if you make up your mind and you truly believe in yourself and you start working and you start taking action, you start going for it, and you focus on one thing at a time, and you stop multitasking, and you stop listening to the BS, and you turn off the Netflix, right? And you start focusing on one thing, and you create these little goals, and you start attacking them every single day, right? You list an item, right? You go thrifting, you go sourcing, you're spending time in the sold listings, you start working for it, you start grinding, you start, you know, networking with people and going to conferences and watching these YouTube videos. You are gonna freaking kill it. I have no doubt in my mind. And this is why I make these videos, because I'm sick and tired of seeing people working dead-end jobs that they hate. And you know, if you work a job, that's cool. If you love it, like I'm like super pumped up for you. Like, that's awesome. Life's about being happy. But if you're miserable about your job, and I have so many friends who have no money and they're broke and they don't know what to do, like, there's so many opportunities out there. You just have to open up your eyes. So that's my mission, is to distribute my content, get this content out to people who need to change their lives, and also to create content for people who are already in the game to help them take their business to the next level, right? So I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully it inspired you. If you feel this video could add value to someone that you know or love, or a friend, share it on Facebook, you know, post it, you know, via email to somebody, and you know, hopefully it helps somebody. That's the goal of this. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and have an amazing night. Bye.